Hi everyone, welcome back to Om and Manu's World. If you're watching for the first time, please subscribe our channel and press that notification bell for more interesting videos. Today in this video, let's see World Environment Day speech. So here is the speech. Good morning to the respected principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. My name is, you can spell your name here. I study in class. Here you can add your class. Today we are here to celebrate a most important day, which is World Environment Day. Here I am going to give a speech on the World Environment Day and its necessity to be established. I have especially selected this topic because of its importance for our better future. World Environment Day is a day especially celebrated to know and solve all the environmental issues. It is also known as Environment Day, Eco Day or WED. It is a great annual event focusing on the issues of environment and trying to solve them completely. It is being celebrated for years worldwide with lots of creative activities and enthusiasm to bring positive changes in our environment. It aims to protect the natural environment forever on the earth for the healthy possibility of life. It is celebrated annually on 5th of June since 1973, however declared in 1972 by the United Nations General Assembly. The annual celebration of it depends on the particular theme of the year declared by the UN, which focuses on implementing some new and effective plans to save the environment. My dear friends, this event is celebrated globally in more than 100 countries because this issue cannot be solved individually by one country. It is a global issue and needs to be solved globally by the involvement of all the countries worldwide. It is run by the United Nations Environment Programme, whereas its annual celebration is organized by the different host city every year declared by the United Nations. First time it was celebrated in 1973 with the theme of Only One Earth. We must celebrate World Environment Day by planting more trees and we must resolve to protecting trees. We must spread the message save trees and trees to save you. We keep our surrounding clean. We should not cut down trees. Save environment, save nature. We should use the products of recyclable materials and encourage others to do so. It is our duty to save environment beauty. So friends, this is the speech on World Environment Day or about environment. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Happy World Environment Day to everybody. I hope you like this video. Hit that like button and subscribe our channel. Press that notification bell for more interesting videos. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.